Hello, everybody. I'm Sherry from YITAI Precision Machinery. Today, I would like to introduce one of our die making machines, laser cutting machine. Beside me is our medium power laser cutting machine. The power is 600 watts. It is a very good machine and cost-effective machine. And if you want to make your own flat dies, it means that if you want to establish your own flat die shop, this is a very cost-effective investment, and the speed is not so slow. Now let's have a brief introduction about this, about the detailed parts of the machine. This is the monitor of the machine. It's 15-inch big screen and easy for the operator to operate the software. And the machine includes the keyboard and the PC and also, the computer. This is the main structure of the laser. Yeah. With the die board holding roller. The table size of the laser is 4 by 6 feet. It means that the width is 1,200 millimeter, and the total length is 2,400 millimeter. This is the standard size of our laser. And we can also customize other table size. For example, 1,200 millimeter by 1,800 millimeter. 1,200 millimeter by 2,400 millimeter. Yeah. Let's have a look at the back of our laser. It is fully closed to make sure there is no smoke. The back of the laser is also fully closed. This is a blower turbine smoke pipe. This is the blower turbine. And this is the door of the electric cabinet. Easy to open. We can open it. And a very clean electronic wire. Clean and tidy of each wire. It's very easy for the after-sales service. And we can also open here. The key parts of the laser is also very important. We can have a close look. The relay is Schneider brand. And the 24 power supply is from Taiwan brand. PC is beside of the electronic cabinet. Another important part of the laser is the laser tube. It's inside here. We can open the door. 刘工帮我开一下。Sorry, it's a little heavy. 刘工， This is a laser tube. It's 600 watts. Some customers also would like to order 400 watts. Both 400 watts and 600 watts are available for this medium power laser. When customer ordered the laser from us, we suggest our customer prepare another set of laser tube together with the machine. This is the drag chain. This is the drag chain of the machine. And the drag chain stand, the thickness is 80 millimeter. Because every time the drag chain moves across the head, and it moves very frequently, so we make very thick drag chain stand to make sure that the long use of the drag chain. Our laser machine is equipped with the autofocus function. It makes sure that the high precision of the laser. Our engineer will show you how it works for the autofocus function. Even if the flatness of the die board is not very even, the machine can automatically up and down according to the autofocus function. Our newly designed feet, the cutting feet, is also different as others. The two ball screws at the bottom of the feet makes the moving more smoothly. Yeah, the ball screw design. At the bottom of our table, we adopt the anti-fire board. The anti-fire board of our laser is 6 millimeter thick. The thickness is 6 millimeter. The symbol is screw, and you can also change it by yourself. Okay. In front of our laser table, there are 3 sets power supply. To make sure less smoke during cutting. Let's our engineer to show you how it works. Okay. Before working, we need to power on the blower turbine. With the autofocus function, our laser cutting machine can cut 3 points, 2 points, 4 points at the same time. This is 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. In one design, our laser cutting machine can realize all these 3 cutting lines. Before cutting, our laser cutting machine has the red dot beam to scan the frame of the board. Our operator will show you how it works. Now it can scan the board for the frame. The speed of the machine is now 12 millimeters per second. The thickness of the board is 15 millimeters. Let's have a look at the cutting. It's very clean. With this design, it totally takes around 3.5 minutes. This is the time. With this box design, it totally takes 3.5 minutes. Our laser cutting machine also has the auto oil feeding system, so it's very easy for the operator to do the maintenance. No need to manually add the oil, and the machine can automatically to feed the oil. Okay, now you see it's very convenient and easy for the machine to operate. If you want to start your own die shop, flat die shop, totally automatically, please do not hesitate to contact us. and welcome to Kansas. Thank you.